Years ago, Delta farmers warned us about crop failures caused by salination. But it wasn't until the year of the drought that people began to see how bad things were. Uncontrollable fires raged through Western Island's bird sanctuary. Local farmers lost acres of crops year after year. Everyone began to ask if this was natural. Then who can forget the floods? At first we noticed the storms, how they seemed more severe. We shrugged it off. Weather can be strange sometimes. We rebuilt our communities after each event, not paying much attention to how we were still vulnerable. Here the rains got worse, while in the highlands more and more ice melted. We learned terms like freshet and watershed and began to pay more attention to dikes. We watched the Fraser River each day with anxiety. Some tried to raise their houses higher, but in time, the lowland infrastructure became crippled. Even our industrial areas were hard hit. We had ravenous appetites for fossil fuels, but global supplies dwindled, demand increased, and prices skyrocketed. One by one, companies folded and people lost their jobs. The once thriving industrial area became a forgotten wasteland. Displaced families began pouring into North Delta, but we had not planned for urban growth. The influx of climate refugees from near and far stressed our resources. For years now, we faced overpopulation and pollution. Shortages have forced the city to implement strict rationing systems. Water and even food is sometimes in short supply. We began to question our own resilience. These days, we are not sure if we will have power at certain times of the year. Because reliable public transit was never built, people wait for hours in heavy traffic and pay for the high prices of gas because they see it as their only choice. So here we are, but now we have a second chance. I've put my life's work into this time machine, and I have decided to send you. You knew Delta better than anyone. You have always had great curiosity and foresight. I think you are the one with both the knowledge and the influence to change the past. Do you have the device I gave you? Okay, great. I'm going to show you some tools you have. These will help you along the way. CIMA Vision stands for Causes, Impacts, Mitigation, and Adaptation Vision. Use this to tag causes, vulnerabilities, and innovative solutions in the Delta landscape. The Carbon Vision tool gives you a revolutionary way to look at the world and once and for all see carbon all around you. I have inserted another tool that I am calling Future Vision. I'm sure you'll agree that this is my best work yet. Okay, I'm hooking you up to the time machine now. Get ready. I'm going to send you back to 2015 when we were in high school. This is when you and I first met. We sure go a long way back. You're not only going to have to alter your own choices, but influence the attitudes and actions of those around you. It won't be easy, but I believe in you. I know you can do this.